It seems that Avalanche, AVAX, and Shiba Inu are currently facing some market pressures, but there's a notable buzz around the BlockDAG presale, which has reached 66.7 million. Avalanche and Shiba Inu. Both Avalanche and Shiba Inu have been popular altcoins in the crypto space. Avalanche, known for its high-performance blockchain, has attracted attention due to its focus on scalability and low transaction fees. However, market conditions often lead to price fluctuations, and AVAX is not immune to this. Shiba Inu, a meme-based cryptocurrency that gained massive popularity last year, is also under some pressure. Despite its strong community and various developments, e.g. Shibarium Layer 2 solution, SHIB's price tends to be volatile. BlockDAG Presale. BlockDAG is making waves with its presale reaching $66.7 million. This blockchain technology uses a directed acyclic graph, DAG structure, which can potentially solve scalability issues in traditional blockchains. This has attracted significant investment interest, making it a noteworthy project to watch. Given these developments, keeping an eye on Avalanche, Shiba Inu, and emerging projects like BlockDAG could provide opportunities for strategic investments. Continuing from where we left off, let's dive deeper into the implications of these developments for investors and the broader crypto market. Avalanche, AVAX, under pressure. Avalanche has been a significant player in the decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFT sectors, with its blockchain platform offering high throughput and low fees. However, recent price pressures may be attributed to broader market trends, including regulatory uncertainty, macroeconomic factors, and competition from other Layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum and Solana. Despite this, Avalanche's strong developer community and ongoing partnerships could help it weather the current market conditions. Shiba Inu, SHIB. Challenges and potential. Shiba Inu's journey from a meme coin to a more utility-focused project has been a fascinating one. The introduction of the Shibarium Layer 2 solution aims to reduce transaction fees and increase scalability, making SHIB more attractive for decentralized applications, dApps, and gaming. However, the price pressure could be due to profit-taking by early investors and competition from newer meme coins that are gaining traction, especially on platforms like Solana. Despite this, the strong community support behind SHIB remains a key factor in its long-term potential. BlockDAG's impressive presale success. The $66.7 million raise during BlockDAG's presale is a testament to the growing interest in alternative blockchain architectures. Unlike traditional blockchains that operate linearly, BlockDAG uses a directed acyclic graph structure, allowing for parallel processing of transactions. This can significantly enhance scalability and reduce latency, making it a strong contender for future blockchain infrastructure. The success of the presale indicates that investors are looking for innovative solutions to address the current limitations of blockchain technology.